I'm Stan Moot, CTO with IABM, and I'm here with Mikael from Agama to discuss business transformation and automated intelligence. So you've really leaped into next generation AI. Tell us about that.
Yes, Agama is all about cutting complexity in video operations, video distributions. And today we have fantastic new possibilities that AI is giving us. At the same time, AI is not an easy animal to use. So we have started with some quite focused use cases. Last year, we introduced possibilities to speak with our manual, so that instead of trying to find things in the manual, you could just ask for it in any language that you would like to and get a response that's easy to understand. This year we have extended it a lot further. So now we have added features like speak with my data. And that is, you can ask our system in pure prompts about, for instance, where things are incorrect, how things are, what about statistics. On top of that, to make it even easier for our people that using the system, you can now ask the prompts to set up your dashboards or other things in the system. This is all about making it easier for our users on a daily basis to use the system without extensive training in that.
Well, let's just talk about the practicalities for a few minutes, because as you mentioned, it's much easier now for people to jump in, but typically they've maybe been a little bit afraid of that. So how have you helped them with that?
Yeah, you have a lot of perspectives into using new automation and AI. One is, of course, to keep track of your data ownership and all of that. We have solved all of that so that our customers can use their own accounts into the AI services that help them with integrity. We can do full air gapping of our systems. We have a very good possibility to do deployments all the way from totally locked down to fully in the cloud. And independent of which of those scenarios you use, we can give you a safe place to use AI-based information. Because some of the information that's in the systems of us are a little on the sensitive side.
So yeah, so you're talking about the LLMs generally, and you hear that where people are keeping private. I've never really heard people talk about a separate air gap on it. That's really cool.
Yeah, but when you work with sensitive data, you really need to have full control of your data, because otherwise bad things can happen. So for any further questions in these domains, don't hesitate at all to contact us, and our experts will guide you.
Yeah, so let's just talk about how the delivery system is evolving over the next few years. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, you're referring to the general video delivery systems. Yeah, we have seen a lot of things happening in the market. We started when it was on the verge of analog to digital 20 years ago, so things have really happened. But it's a lot of streaming nowadays, a lot of streaming. And that is a little different to have control of than the traditional solutions like multicast cable and all of those. We still have support for all of these different types of systems, but of course, streaming is really among the things that rolls out today.
Right, and you're actually helping people build more content quickly, so I think that'll improve over the next number of years as well.
Yeah, and especially making content available to the market in the distribution. That's perhaps where we are the most active. But also contribution, how you get your information in, taking control of your whole delivery chain from where you create it all the way into where it's consumed. There's a lot of steps there, but we cover them all.
One of the things you really do cool is engagement analytics. So just tell me about that.
Yes, engagement analytics is part of two areas that we have. We have both what we call content analytics and there you have parts of engagement, and then we have product analytics. And both of those areas have the benefit in our solution that when you're already integrated with our devices, you can just add on that type of analytics without any reintegrations. Of course, you can take integrations further if you want in a second step, but it's just an add-on that you can start using immediately.
You're really looking out for the future. Appreciate the chat today.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to have you here, and hope to see you soon.